Waukesha Tower, Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, ready 10.
Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, Waukesha Tower, runway 10, clear for takeoff, on course to Capital.
Clear for takeoff, 10, on course to Capital, Skyhawk 4, Echo Echo. Alright, that guy's airborne, turning northbound, finals clear, yes, both mixtures full, wet, rich, and we are all lit up. I did all of my my nighttime, my 10 takeoffs and landings the other day. Alright. We're all lined up, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Alright, heels on the floor. Full power.
Calling Waukesha ground, taken.
Airspeed's alive. Right rudder. We're green and green. Little more right
Yeah,
rudder.
that was a pretty funny one.
45. And 55. A little bit of wind there, eh?
Yep, just a little bit.
And 10 degrees nose up will give us about 80. And there's 400.
See how well this GoPro does at night.
Yeah. And Tower 4, Echo Echo, any chance for an early handoff?
That's 4 Echo Echo, pre-chance approved, have a good night.
Appreciate it. Frequency approved 4 Echo Echo, see you. There it is.
Wow, that was quick.
Alright. Capital Drive traffic, Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo. Just departed off of Capital. We're going to be entering a left downwind, 21 full stop, Capital Drive. Go ahead and pull car beat right away. We're well above pattern altitude here. There are some trees on the approach on there.
Okay.
Oh, this stupid CO monitor.
Is it going off?
It's going off because it's getting in and out of the power source.
Okay.
That's the only reason.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we're not getting CO.
It's like, are the lights out on part of it?
Maybe.
It's like only half the runway's lit up.
Right. Well, I usually approach high here. I haven't been here at night in probably a year. But yeah, there's those trees, so I take it out a little further too. Capital Drive traffic, Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, left downwind, 21, full stop, Capital Drive. Now we're actually high. Pattern altitude is actually 800 feet, so that gives us about 1650 here. But gas both, undercarriage down welded, mixtures full rich. Props fixed, switches are on, switches, seatbelts on. And we're a beam carbead, full power just a little bit. There's 85, 10 degrees, pitching for 80. Capital Drive traffic, Skyhawk 124, Echo Echo, turning left base 21, Capital Drive. It's clear. Capital Drive traffic, Skyhawk 4, Echo Echo, turning final 2-1, full stop, Capital Drive. Let's get a little more in there. We could have squared it out a little more, that's alright. Okay, runway's clear. And I believe we are clear of all the trees now.
Okay.
Yep, because I see the river.
Oh, I see. It's got quite a long.
Yeah. Okay, there's 60. Yeah, we're coming in steep, that's alright. Bit of a crosswind.
Nice. Got a strobe light there. Disco light.
Yeah, oh man. Let's get back on center line. I will go all the way down. Good to be home. This is where I started my flight training.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a short little field.
Yes, it is. And it gets hairy with those trees and a little bit of a crosswind, and it's only 45 feet wide.
Right, and at night you can't see shit.
Exactly.
You're like, oh, we're free of the trees. I'm like, all right, whatever you say. I really can't tell.
All right.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That was a whole 0.2 maybe.